Yolante, what's up? So we're going to work on your notes, your bass clef notes, 5 lines. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. All cows eat grass. That's the circles in the spaces between the notes, between here and here. Okay, and then good boys do fine always. Okay. And that's basically that. And if you look at a bass clef sign, let's just do it right up here. Okay, I'm going to draw a bass clef sign. It looks like a backwards C. It's got 2 dots right there, and the dots are representing that line right there, which is the F line. So it's really an F clef. They call it the bass clef sometimes, but well, they call it the bass clef all the time, but it's an F clef. So that's telling you that's an F. All right. So let's go here. Okay. All cows. So this would be an A. So what we're going to do is what we're going to work on today is just from here up to there, which is an F and an F. So it'd be 2 octaves from here to here. And an octave is 8th notes, or do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, twice. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That'd be 2 octaves. All right. So we're going to start here with the low F. All right. G. And as we said before, that's the A, B, C, D, E, F, grass, G, A, B, C, draw a line above the line, E, 2 lines above that. Okay, so if you're looking at this top line right there, I'm going to just draw a top line right there, and we'll soon there's 5 lines here total. So it's going to be B, C. You're going to draw a line. It's going to be above that line. Draw 2 lines. It's going to be on that line, and that'd be the F right there. Okay. All right. We'll leave that there for now. Okay. So 5 lines, an F clef. Remember, that's the F right there. Okay. Okay. And on the trombone, we're going to go down to this low F, and that's going to be the F below the staff, and that's in 6th position. Okay. Low B flat. So that's the low F right there in 6th position. Da, low F. All right. Okay. So, a couple things you need to know. There are no notes between B and C and E and F. So if you go up the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it starts again. It starts again. There are no notes between here and there. B and C and E and F. B and C and E and F. Okay? So there is a note between A and B. There's not a note between B and C. There's a note between C and D. There's a note between D and E. There's not a note between E and F. There's a note between F and G, G and A and B. Not a note between B and C. All right? So we'll go down here. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. The bass clef, or the F clef, that's the F note. Okay. So we'll start here in 6th position. There's the F. So is there a note between F and G? Yes, there is. And that's going to be an F sharp or a G flat. It's the same note. For the purposes of the trombones right now, because you don't play in flats much, we're going to call this a G flat. Okay, so there's 6, 5. What's going to be next? If you go from G flat, then you're going to go to G natural. All right. Natural sign looks like this. Sharp sign looks like this. Flat sign looks like that. Okay. So you got F, G flat, G natural is going to be in 4. What's going to be next? An A natural? Is there a note between G and A? Yes, there is. So we're not going to say any sharp, so it's going to be an A flat. So that'll be in 3rd, then an A natural. It'll be in 2nd, and then a B flat is going to be here. You've seen this plenty of times. That's going to be in 1st. So we're going 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. F, G flat, G natural, A flat, A natural, B flat. All right. That's it up to there. Okay. So we're going to start on the B flat. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. 5 notes. The F or bass clef. Here's your B flat. That's 1st position. So what's going to be a half step higher than a B flat? Okay, there's your B to C. B flat would be lower than that. So B flat is going to be between A and B. All right. So B, A, B flat, B natural, then C. All right. So B natural is going to be here. And what position is that in? That is in 7th position. Da, da. Got to go all the way out there. Half step. Okay. What's going to be next? You got B flat, B natural. Then is there a note between B and C? No. Next will be C. It's going to be in 6. All right. That's a C there. And then is there a note between C and D? Yes. Is that going to be a C sharp, or we'll call it a D flat? Okay. It's going to be in 5th. D flat to D natural. Okay. 4th. D natural to E flat. 3rd. E natural. 2nd. F. It's 1st. So that low F here is in 6. Your B flat here is in 1st. Okay. The C is in 6. Just doing the 1s and the 6s. And then this F up here is going to be in 1st. All right. You just got to fill in between them. Let's go again. 2, 3, 4, 5. F clef, bass clef. Okay, we're to F here. F is in 1. All right. Is there a note between F and G? Yes, it's going to be an F sharp, but we're not going to say F sharp, so we're going to say G flat. All right. That is in 5th position, that particular G flat. Every time you keep, the higher you go, the less you go out to get to the next note. All right. When you have to go out and make it higher, you go from 6 into 1, then to 7, and then just to let you know, this note below here, it's E down here. There's an F. That's in 7th position, but we're not going to learn that one today. Okay. So we're going from low F up to this F way up here. So G flat and then G natural is our pattern here. Okay. Then A flat and A natural. Okay. Then B flat. So we're going to go 6, G flat, G natural's 4, A flat's 3, A natural's 2, B flat's 1. All right. We've only got to get now from B flat up to F. All right. So let's do 5 lines. an F clef, okay, a B flat. We can go to the B natural, okay. And how do you make a C? So we're going from B to C. There's no note between B and C. So we're going to go to B to C. So you got to draw a line because you don't have enough lines up there. And then you're going to circle it like that. So it's going to be, B flat's going to be in 1. This B natural is going to be in 4 because it goes out less every time. See what I'm talking about? It goes 7, then 5, then 4. Okay. The C here is going to be in 3. All right. Then the next thing you're going to have is a D flat. It's going to be in 2. Then the E flat is going to be in 1. All right. Go there. Now, do it one more time, and we'll be done. 5 lines, 4 spaces. Bass clef, F clef right there. All right. Okay. All cows eat grass. Good boys do fine always. If you work on this, you'll get it. And it'll be a lot more fun to play if you can sit there and just immediately identify that note and what position it is instead of having to guess. All right. So we've got E flat here. All right. And that's in 3. All right. Da 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 da. Oh, excuse me. I did this wrong. This is a D. Went from D flat to D natural. The D natural is in 1. Sorry about that. Okay. Then you go from D natural to E flat. That's in 3. The E natural is in 2. And then the F is in 1. Sorry about that. So B flat, B natural, C, D flat, D natural, right? Okay, that's going to be in 1. So starting from the bottom on that low F, let's go one more sheet of paper. We'll do the sideways thing here. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's going to start on this low F. All right, and that's 6. Let's just throw in a couple keynotes here. All right, low F, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll put a B flat about right there. Okay, that's 1. B flat, B natural, C. Okay, we'll put the C right there. There's a 6. Just give you some keynotes in here. The F, C, D flat, D natural, E flat, E natural, F. F. Back to 1. Okay. G flat, G natural, A flat, A natural, B flat. 1. Okay. And then B flat, B natural, C, D flat, D. D is going to be 1, right? And then D natural, E flat, E natural, F. C, E, F, okay? And that's going to be in 1. So you got a 1, 6, 1. So these are the notes that are in 1 here. All right. And then you've got your F down here, which is in 6. So we're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that'd be F, G flat, G natural, A flat, A natural, B flat. All right. Then B flat, B natural, which would be in 7. And then C would be next. That'd be in 6. 1, 7, 6. What would be 5? Okay. Then D flat, D natural, E flat, E natural, F. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. And then from here, you're going to have an F, G flat, G natural, A flat, A natural, B flat. So that's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From the B flat to D is B flat to B natural, which is 4. And then 3, 2, 1 after that D. So B natural, C, D flat, D natural. 3, 2, 1. And then from the D up is E is 1. D is 1, E flat is 3, 2, 1. So from the low F, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But what I want you to know is to know the note names and what position they are. And there are alternate positions for some of these. Okay. So you're going to have a worksheet, and what I want you to do is go along and fill it out. Make your lines like this. Make your bass clef each time. I want you to put the name of the note down. I want you to put the position and the name. For example, this would be a G. Put the G up here, and the position. Just follow the directions. This would be G. This would be in fourth. Okay, you put the 4 down here, and the name of the note up there. Okay, and eventually, it's just so much easier to play your horn because you can look at it and go, "Oh, that's a B flat." All right, man. Hope you're doing well, and as they say down in the Shenandoah Valley, Washington.